No, I think it's the other one.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like it's like right there.
What is?
Voodoo.
I think it's that building.
Oh, yeah. Okay. They all start to look the same.
Right.
Oh, fuck. This is a turn-only lane.
What?
This is a turn-only lane.
Yeah.
Alright, well...
Gun it.
Yeah. I think that's it right there.
Alright, so just park in here.
Oh, yeah. You gotta rev it up in second gear.
This does not like first
feather
gear.
the clutch, basically.
Nah, you just ride around with the fucking clutch in.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is cute. We'll get this. And then, ooh, get gold. That's cute. Super cute. It would be better though, like if you didn't film, if you filmed like more of what was going on, not like at this moment. Mother. Hey, is it okay if I just leave this right there?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, cool.
Oh my god.
I'm in such a hurry!
Jesus, what is taking you so long? Is it just that?
Are we taking these inside? No? No?
Alright, what's your name, honey? What's your name, honey?
Courtney.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Courtney.
Bonnie?
Yeah.
Alright.
So what are you taking this at?
What? Oh, I'm in third gear right now. At 40. I think this bike,
Are you
Yeah.
still in third?
this bike's, I think, got longer gears once you get into third, but they could be somewhat similar.
Oh, fuck. I f***ed up. I did that the last time there too.
Yeah, you gotta give her some gas.
Oh, shut up.
Do we need to do that exercise again when you feel the clutch? The Reds playing again.
What?
The Reds are playing again.
Oh.
Yeah, you think about it, last night at the Tom Segura show, we had to pay $25 for one bike in a parking garage. If we would have rode two, that would have been $50 right there just to park
I know.
a freaking motorcycle. Like, how ridiculous
Yeah.
is that?
I think it's the garage we went into. It was definitely the garage we went into because I do know that the
It's right
one
underneath the Red Stadium.
past that is cheaper. Well, it's connected to the Red Stadium.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the Reds players were parking there, basically. Oh my god, it's the 80s. I feel like black women always have wild outfits.
Yeah.
You're just running red lights, looking at cars like...
They act just like bicycles.
Oh, yeah. Are you allowed to do that? Are you allowed to do that on a bicycle?
I don't know. They think that they can do whatever they want. Are we turning here?
Yeah. Up at this light. I think it's this light. No, it's the next light.
Ugh.
I can't tell. It's not like... I guess one more block. Not this light, but the next.
Good night. So the same one for Voodoo?
Is this the street Voodoo's on?